Well, I'm going out on another field trip today and I'm almost there. I am in Capitol Heights, Maryland, and I'm looking for Cort furniture. And this isn't necessarily Cort meaning the location where you would normally go. I think this is the location where you would go to get pieces that they are willing to sell to the public. And I'm always looking for statement pieces, and I always want to put you on to places where you can go to find statement pieces. And so I'm hoping that this is the case. So I'll be there shortly, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough, maybe take a few pictures of some things like I normally do to put you on so that you just see what options are available. So I'll catch you on the other side of this intro. Oh, actually, I'm almost there, and it's called Cort Furniture Clearance Center. So I think it is what I think it is, but we're going to find out here shortly. So with that being said, I'll catch you in a few. Okay, so I am inside the Cort Clearance Center, and I've got to tell you, I'm finding some very reasonable pieces in here that I think would work well in a spare bedroom or a room for guests. There is a lot to choose from, and I'm hoping that there are a couple of areas during this video where I have to do the voiceover in order to drown out the music that's playing in the store because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So please be patient. This will last maybe a couple of more seconds. In the meantime, though, I would love to draw your attention to the variety of pieces that you will see on the floor throughout this tour. And also pay attention to how affordable the prices are. I love being able to help my clients find statement pieces. When I go on my design tours, I'm always looking at how to incorporate the 7 elements of design. And if you're just now tuning into my design tours, feel free to visit my website at dmvinteriors.com where you can get a copy of the 7 elements. This is what I use in order to integrate all of the different elements that fit most decor and decoration projects. There are always exceptions, but this tool helps you to really develop your budget for your project, as well as help you to identify statement pieces for your particular design project. If you like the tours that you see on my YouTube channel, please share, like, and subscribe. And also in the comments below, if there's a place that you would like for me to visit in the DMV, please be sure to add that information, as well as any design or decoration dilemmas that you might have. Until then, I'll see you on the next design tour.